this video, we will explore some ways to better work with information on a SYSVIEW display by selecting and filtering data. The select command allows you to display particular rows of data based upon values that appear under the column headings. The syntax of the select command is select, field, operator, value. For example, if you want the display to show only entries with a value greater than 2 in the CPU field, you would type select CPU percentage greater than 2 on the command input line and hit the enter key. As you can see, now only jobs with a CPU percentage greater than 2 are displayed. Issue the command help select to bring up all of the help information for the select command, including details on all the operators available for use. Some of the most common operators you may use for the select command are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, not greater than, blank, not blank, contains, and not contains. The select command has a few keywords that you may find useful while manipulating the data on your screen. Issuing select display brings you to a display of all the active filters. This can also be accomplished by issuing the command query select. You can set up default selections by utilizing the format section of the profile command. To clear any additional selections made and return to your profile's defaults, issue select reset. To clear any active or pending selections, including profile defaults, issue the command select clear. This can also be accomplished by issuing the select command by itself. To filter data based on more than one selection criteria, use the con parameter. The con parameter refers to a connector with possible values of and or. For example, if you want the display to show only entries with a type of STC and without a job number, you would type select type equals STC and job number B, which represents blank, on the command input line and hit the enter key. As you can see, only entries that match both selection criteria are displayed. If the select command parameter begins with a connector, then the new parameters are added to the previously active selection parameters. For example, let's add a new selection criteria for jobs with CPU time greater than 1. Type select and CPU time greater than 1 and hit enter. If we issue select display, we can see our new filter has been added. You can use the condition keyword in place of a field name to specify selection for all fields that are defined as status fields on the current screen. For example, if you wanted to see all fields in a state other than normal, you would type select cond greater than normal and hit enter. Now any field with an active threshold in a status of highlight, warning, or problem are displayed. For more information on the condition keyword, including restrictions and possible values, issue the command help select. This wraps up our tutorial on selecting and filtering data within SYSVIEW.